Hello everyone. English Prose Class 11th Explanation. Explain with reference to the context the following. Number 1. A list and murderers. Reference to context. These lines are taken from the lesson Forgetting. The writer of this essay is Robert Lind, a great modern essayist. Once a list of articles lost by railway passengers was published in London. Many people were astonished by the forgetfulness of their fellows. Explanation. In these lines, the writer tells us that once a list of articles lost by railway passengers has been published at Great London Station. Seeing the list, many people were astonished at the forgetfulness of their fellows. He says that if written records of data about the things which travelers forget in train compartment were available, then it would be common to find that forgetfulness is common in the travelers. The author wonders that it is on the success of human society rather than on its failure. He further says that modern man people remembers long telephone numbers, addresses, date of old articles, appointment for lunch or dinner, names of actor, actresses, cricketers, footballers and murderers. Number 2. Certain forget to take. Reference to context. These lines are taken from the lesson Forgetting. The writer of this essay is Robert Lind, a great modern essayist. The author points out clearly forgetting in some matters. Forgetting may be due to carelessness, indifference, and being busy in some matters. Explanation. In these lines, the author says that some psychologists say that it is due to the antipathy to pills and potions. The author does not agree to this theory outright. Giving his example, he says that he is a lifelong devotee of medicines. He wishes to have them at the regular time. But it often happens that the medicine in his pocket and he wishes to have it, yet he forgets it most unwillingly. The author draws a very solid conclusion that chemists earn lots of money out of those medicines which so many people forget to take. As they forget to take medicine, they take more time to cure. The more time they take, the more medicines they have to buy from chemists. Number 3. The commonest about it. Reference to context. These lines are taken from the lesson Forgetting. The writer of this essay is Robert Lind, a great modern essayist. The author says that memory works less than usual in some matters. People forget to post the letters at proper time. The author himself is forgetful of posting letters. Explanation. The author thinks that the most common form of forgetfulness takes place in the matter of posting letters. This type of forgetfulness is so common that the author is always unwilling to give an important letter to post to a person who has come to visit him. He has very little confidence in the memory of the visitor, and if he has to give the letter to him to post, he puts him on his oath to post the letter. The writer further says that if anyone asks him to post a letter is a poor judge of character, because even if he puts the letter in his hand, he forgets to post it even when he passes from the first pillar box. He puts the letter in his pocket and totally forget to post it. Number 4. After that remember to write. Reference to context. These lines are taken from the lesson Forgetting. The writer of this essay is Robert Lind, a great modern essayist. The author says that when he forgets to post others' letter, then he had to face many embarrassing questions, and the forgetfulness might be thought as a result of lack of interest in other people things. Explanation. In these lines, the author tells his condition when he forget to post others' letter. He says the life become tame, quiet, and he had to face embarrassment because he forget to post the letter. He is asked many questions and he had to take out the letter from his pocket. He says, it might be thought because of the lack of interest in other people work or letters, but it cannot be the explanation as he himself forgets to post some of the letters that he himself remember to write. Number 5. As for living achieved this. Reference to context. These lines are taken from the lesson Forgetting. The writer of this essay is Robert Lind, a great modern essayist. The author explains that he does not forget things except books and walking sticks. So, he is not a offender in forgetting things. Explanation. In these lines, the author says that he does not forget things in trains and taxis mostly. So, he is not guilty in these matters. He can remember almost anything except books and walking sticks. He can remember books many times, but he feels quite impossible to remember about the walking sticks. He likes to buy walking sticks as his taste is old fashioned for them, so he buys them frequently. But whenever he goes to visit his friend's house or travel by train, then he forgets about the stick and loses it. He does not carry an umbrella with him because of the fear of losing it mostly. He asks, does the person who holds his umbrella tightly has never forgotten his umbrella? Number 6. Few of us their errors. Reference to context. These lines are taken from the lesson Forgetting. The writer of this essay is Robert Lind, a great modern essayist. The author tells that some persons have lost many things because of forgetfulness. These persons often forget to take their luggage while getting down from the train. The author says that young mostly forgotten their things rather than the adults. Explanation. The author says that there are some persons who forget to take their luggage while descending from the train. Usually, the ordinary travelers reach to their home safe without forgetting anything in the train. But the example mentioned in the beginning of the essay occurs mostly with the young travelers. In the opinion of the author, sportsmen have also worse memory than an imaged-minded person. Many footballs and cricket bats were forgotten by their sportsman. It may be because the sportsman who is returning after playing the game have their imagination still filled with the perception of the game. In his mind, he is recalling the mistakes he had made while playing. Number 7. For the rest, utopia. Reference to context. These lines are taken from the lesson Forgetting. The writer of this essay is Robert Lind, a great modern essayist. Explanation. In these lines, the author is telling that the sportsman keeps on recalling the mistakes which he made while playing. Therefore, for the rest of the day, he is a citizen of dreamland. The same happens with the angler who forgets his fishing rod. It is said that the anglers are mostly lost in their imaginations. An angler is lost in his imagination, so he forgets about the fishing rod. Number 8. The questions their art. Reference to context. These lines are taken from the lesson Forgetting. The writer of this essay is Robert Lind, a great modern essayist. Here, The author says the topic of having a good memory is always a matter of discussion. Men with intelligent minds are also liable to commit mistakes. They may have sometimes tried to claim their superiority in intelligence, but the author refuses to accept their claims. Explanation. The author says that the topic of having a good memory has always been a topic of discussion, and men with weak memory have tried to prove them superior. Those men who claim superiority but forward the argument that a person who has a very good memory, like a machine, is barely a man of first grade intelligence. In the opinion of author, this argument is wrong. They submit the examples of so many cases of children or men. In the opinion of author, these children or men possessed very good memory, but they had no intelligence at all. But according to the opinion of author, great authors and music composers may be of good memory and intelligent also. The author says that among the poets and stockbrokers, in his knowledge, the poets have a better memory because it is the one of the main part or half substance of their art. Number 9. At the same ... him a lesson. Reference to context. These lines are taken from the lesson Forgetting. The writer of this essay is Robert Lind, a great modern essayist. The author tells about a person with strange memory. Explanation. In these lines, the author tells that if a person lacks in ordinarily memory, everyone so think him as a strange person. He says that he had heard about a father who take out his baby in perambulator and to take a break. He moves into a pub for a glass of beer, leaving the baby in perambulator outside. After a few minutes, his wife passed through the pub as she was going for shopping. As she saw her baby outside the pub, sleeping in perambulator, she was horrified. She was very angry at her husband's behavior and decided to teach him a lesson. Number 10. She wheeled ... great modern city. Reference to context. These lines are taken from the lesson Forgetting. The writer of this essay is Robert Lind, a great modern essayist. In these lines, the author shows and points out a father's carelessness. A father took his baby in a pram. He entered into a public house for a glass of beer and leaves the baby at the door of public house alone. He came out through the door of the saloon bar and forgot the child. A little later, his wife went past the bar. She discovered her sleeping baby in the pram. Angry at her husband's behavior, she decided to teach him a lesson. Explanation. His wife imagined how her husband would feel frightened when he came out of the bar and saw the child missing. She brought the pram with the child home. She thought that her husband would inform her that the child had been stolen. His face would be white and his lips would be trembling. She would enjoy his state angrily, but the reality was otherwise. Her husband returned home. He had no worry of the child. He was cheerful and smiling. He asked affectionately his wife what she had prepared for lunch that day. Such was the forgetfulness of the father that he had completely forgotten about his child. The author asks a question that how many men below or except the philosopher are such absent-minded? The author thinks that most of us are born with ordinary efficient memories, and if it was not like this, then the family could not survive in modern society. Please like and share. Thanks for watching.